Today is the day, guys. CLC's newest comeback. I am so ready. Hey guys, I'm ThatKpopBoyJaylen, and today we're gonna be reacting to CLC's new music video, Helicopter. And guys, I am super excited. Obviously, you guys seen my literally all my CLC content up to this point. You know, see me react to the teasers, not the actual teasers, because I wanted to be surprised with that. But you see me reacting to like their content before the combat. You see me reacting to all their MVs up to this point. You know, me literally just getting to CLC, and you know, I'm super excited because this is my very first comeback with CLC, and I can't wait. And I got my plushie right here, the one that my sister made for me. Thank you, Maya. And yeah, I really can't wait. And also, guys, thank you so much for giving me 900 subscribers. And yeah, we're pretty much almost close to like 1K for this channel. And I know it's not a big achievement for a standard like YouTuber, but for me, I think that's like a big achievement for me. And you know, I'm super glad that you guys are wanting to check out my videos and stuff like that, you know, laugh at them, and then, you know, liking them and stuff like that. So I appreciate that. Thank you so much. But right now, I my focus right now is on the MV, so I really can't wait. So yes, without further ado, let's get this reaction started. Alright guys, in 3, 2, 1, now. Of course you hear a helicopter right at the back. We won't be only in what? Wait, oh, I forgot what that said. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, okay. I saw. Okay. Okay, helicopter. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh, those are backup dancers. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Oh god, they're looking so good. Oh my god, Elkie. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Kill it, kill it. Oh. Oh my gosh, she looks so good. Holy crap. Oh my god, Elkie. Oh my god. Oh, these graphics are sick. Oh my god, and then, wow. Oh my gosh. These settings, these backgrounds are so sick. Oh my god, Sungyoung. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, girl, relax. Oh my gosh. Jeez, she's looking so good. Like all of them so far right now. Eugene, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So good. Oh my god, bro, relax. Sunghee! Oh my god. Going up. Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh my god, I love this. I love this song already. Sorn! Oh my gosh, her with the silver hair. Oh my gosh. Helicopter girls. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is just awesome. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh my god, some heat. Oh my god, more rapping. Yes, let's do it. Yeah. Oh, I forgot there's subtitles. Oh my god, girl. Oh, Jesus. Sungyoung. My gosh. Girl, relax. Jeez, that outfit. Oh my god. Feeling so cool, man. Oh my god, me too, girl. Oh my god, Eugene. Going up. Helicopter. This dance though, I like it. Like a pilot. Oh. Oh my god. Jeez, man. They literally went all out in this for this MV. Holy crap, I love it. Holy. Oh my god. Okay, okay, girls. Whew. Oh my god, yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes, girl. Oh. Unbin. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, sword. Songyang. Oh god. This is so good. Here comes the break. Here comes the break. Oh. Ooh. 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 Ah. Woo. Oh, this is so good. Oh my god. Mm. Oh, they're wearing suits with. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, the journey never ends. Oh. Yeah, that's right for sure. Oh my god. Holy. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I'm definitely gonna make another reaction, just a bit, but I'm just gonna say this now. Holy crap, that was amazing. That was such the worth the hype, worth the the wait for this comeback. Holy crap, I loved it. I loved it, and I can see that they did like live stages on this already. Oh wait, no, this is the when it came out, like when the online event thing. But anyways, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put this away because I'm gonna watch it again. All right. Okay, we're gonna watch it again in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, what does this say? We won't be lonely at the top. Oh, okay, that's what makes sense. Oh my gosh. Like this goes in. I love it. I love this. I love it. Oh, okay, and this dance too. Okay, I can't do that part. I can't do that part. Damn, yeah, going with the raps in the first part already. I love it. Jeez. Girl. Oh, I'm in the zone, girl. Yeah, they really went all out with these settings for the MV and the outfits too. Like Sungyoung, jeez, I want to get kicked by Sungyoung. Oh my gosh, Sungyoung. Yoojin. Oh, I just realized those are rings. I just realized. Right, going up. Oh, that's why she said higher in the keywords video. Okay, makes sense. Up, copter, like a pilot. Oh my gosh, Soren. She looks so good. Literally all of them looking so damn good in this MV. I swear to God. Oh my god. Jeez. I feel like those things are floating. It reminds me of like the, you know, how people are so confused and trying to think. Like that meme. Oh my god. Yeah, good. Oh crap, I can't with Yaun. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, it's so young. Jeez. Okay, girl, relax. So feeling so cool. Going up, copter. Gonna take off. Oh, okay. Michael Pilot. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to read like the lyrics. But this really strong lyrics from the song. Oh my god, going back like that. I can't. Oh my gosh, they're working the hips too. What would it take to be one of those like backup dancers? Like, come on. Oh my god, so good. Oh, looks so good. Up, helicopter. Then make a hella noise for takeoff. Sorry, I'm trying to sing along. Helicopter, never give up. Like a pilot. Oh. Pilot. Holy guys. Oh my god. The journey never ends. I can't. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so that was CLC's helicopter. Like I said again, this is worth the wait, worth the hype, obviously, and this just, oh my gosh, just like that. Yeah, this is just a great feeling because, like I said, this is my first comeback with CLC, and I am so proud of myself. Oh my gosh. So, all right, let's talk about this. The music video was amazing. Obviously, the music video was amazing. Outfits were on point. Holy crap! Especially Sungyeon. I was like, damn, relax there. Yeah, like the settings on the music video was amazing. Like, damn, they went all out for this like music video. Like, holy crap! And yeah, and the song is so it's so good. Like, it's catchy. It has a nice beat to it. Like, it's like it has a cool, like, great drops on it for the song. Like, it's so good. You guys let me know if you want me to see like the online event for like for the NV. You guys let me know, because right now I just want to relax because I finally got the chance to see the NV. But you know, I probably will check out the other live performances for the NV. From the MV, so yeah. But yeah, let me know. But yeah, oh yeah, I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna download it right now. So yeah, you guys were like so supportive, like throughout me getting into CLC, and I appreciate it. And I'm feel happy to be joined in this community, and you know, being a cheshire. And yeah, I'm just happy that you guys appreciate me loving CLC, and guys, you know, helping me learn about CLC and stuff like that too. So yeah. Oh wait, I think I should have been pre-saved, because I did pre-saved it recently, because it said that it would pre-save the song. I think it did. I can't see it yet, but we'll see. But anyways, yeah, my gosh, this video has been going along. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much my reaction for today, guys. Alright, guys, laters.